Okay, Ellie. We assisted with part of the envelope due to your inability to use knives. What is that? What do you say to Papa and Nanny? And you got a card? Ellie, what do you say?
Ellie, what do you say? What'd you say? Ellie, say thank you.
Here, we're videoing it for Papa and Nanny. What do you say?
Thank you.
Oh, you got ice cream?
It's like it exploded on my face.
It says 3. Let me see. Yay! It says ice cream. We'll read it to you in a little bit, Shuggy. Okay, say thank you, Papa and Nanny.